Safari animal costumes.
Come on.
Let's see what we have here. One
Come here.
zebra, one hippopotamus, and one lion.
Come on. Jack.
Uh-oh. It sounds like the lion costume escaped.
Don't
Come
you
on.
worry, Jet Safari Chica, and I will find it.
Come on.
You can't go on a safari without a snack.
Yeah, come on. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Woohoo!
That was Mr. C.
Mikhail, what'd you do?
A coop in a monkey costume to make sure.
What are you doing?
Oh, I see.
What'd you do? Yeah?
Costumes, Jet. I have some.
Join us on the Sunny Side Show, live every morning from 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Spelled differently, but it means the same thing.
Mikhail, go play with your toys.
See what I mean?
Go over there and play with your toys.
What's this?
Things we studied in mathematics. That's long division.
Let Mama be lazy for a minute and just watch you instead of picking you up.
To worry about.
You go over there. Do it yourself.
It's just like Tutal said. It's too
Go.
hard.
Oh dear. You
Thank
worked
you.
yourself into a tizzy.
Mama,
Thank you. Keep going.
school. I want to stay home with you.
Yeah. You play with your toy?
You make pies.
Did somebody say pie? I've got the apples peeled.